Baking your own muffins with selected ingredients of your choice is definitely worth a try if you have extra me time left with you. Hi friends, today I'm going to make eggless mango muffins which children and grandparents will equally love. Our baking process starts with grinding 1 cup sugar into fine powder. To this, let's add 1 cup chopped ripe mango, 1/4 cup each of refined oil and melted butter. Let's blend them together into a fine paste. Next step is to add curd, the replacement of eggs which we normally use in cakes. Our mango curd paste is ready. Let's transfer it to a big bowl. We are going to sip dry ingredients one by one. Maida 1½ cup, baking powder 1½ teaspoon and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Do the needful for these ingredients to seep through. Unwanted coarse particle you can always remove. See, baking as such is very easy, just like cooking. If you don't have a blender or an electric oven with you, it's okay. I'm telling you, you can blend the ingredients manually and still bake a cake on gas stove. Whether it is achievable or not, you have to wait with me till the end to find out. After half teaspoon vanilla essence and half cup milk has been added, all you have to do is to whisk till you get the right dropping consistency, not too thick, not too thin. I'm going to make muffins, cupcakes and a small cake with this batter using 3 different types of cake mold or container. So roughly 1/3 of the batter goes to 3-inch small steel bowl that we normally have in our kitchen. Let's see how it turns out after 55 minutes of baking in a preheated pan on a gas stove. Let's transfer another 1/3 of the cake batter into a cupcake tray lined with paper cupcake molds. Let's bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our muffins with choco chip toppings are ready. The remaining cake batter goes to 5-inch cake tin. I will be baking it in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. 35 minutes is completed now and our cute little cake is ready. Time to check out our non-oven bakes. Oops! Black coloration in one of the cupcakes and at the very area where cupcake touches with the lid. It's okay, I have learned my lesson. Next time, when you bake a cake, make sure you leave enough space for the cake to expand. It should not touch the lid. Let's unmold them. Trust me, these mango bakes are soft, spongy and delicious. Please do try at home and let me know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Bye bye, till we meet again.